Welcome to RapidRecon's product enhancements for desktop. We're happy to bring you some new features that will make your life in the dealership easier, and we want to give a special thank you to the many dealerships and individuals that were instrumental in the concept and design of the features you're about to see. An update has been made to the DIS Days in Step and DIR Days in Recon columns to display times in days, hours, and minutes. The next update is the release of our highly anticipated cost of sales reporting, an update to the header, a new reporting suite, and for you group users, a store-by-store comparison of your average spend per vehicle. Let's take a look at these new reports. For dealers that use RapidRecon's Work Items feature, your system will calculate the average spend per vehicle shown here in your Quick View header. This calculation is driven off of two key actions. One, that your work items are in completed status, and two, that your vehicle is in your destination step. For most of you, your destination step is frontline. In addition, we provided you with a new reporting suite that shows approved and declined information around work items. In this suite, users can check the month they want to report on and the step they want to report on. From here, I have a breakdown of all the work items that were completed and moved to frontline status. The report records how many vehicles saw that work item, the total cost of sales for that work item, the average cost of sales for that work item, and the percentage of total sales for all work items. These columns are sortable. In this case, I'm going to sort by total number of vehicles. We had 47 vehicles with CPO inspection. I can now click that 47 and it's going to show me all 47 vehicles that hit frontline with that work item on them. And I can sort through, and if I need to get into the details of that car, click the activity report. It will take me right down to all the activity on that particular vehicle. In addition to completed work, we also show declined work. And from here, the same exercise applies. I can sort by the number of vehicles and drill right into all those work items that were declined and the vehicles that they were declined on. Next, for you group users, we'll dig into the group cost of sales report. This is a 10,000-foot view on what your sister stores are spending per vehicle.
With this latest release, users leaving a note can notify anybody or everybody in your user profile. And because RapidRecon is smart, it decides which avenue to distribute this notification. It starts with push notification, then text, then email, ensuring your team always has the right amount of information.